Alright, y'all, here's another special request from my man, Mr. Arbach. I hope I said that right. Arbach Lover. He wanted to see my 2 commercial vacuums from Hoover. So, let's show him what we working with. Here's my orange one he wanted to see. Very neat vacuum. I was very happy to find it. Tell you the truth, I can't remember where I got half my collection at. And that's sad, but I mean, that's how many I have. I don't even remember where this one came from. I know I got it in 2020. That's all I can tell you. I got this in 2020. I forget where, I forget when, but yeah. Anyway, here's the orange one. Go ahead and run it. Kind of a loudmouth, huh? All right, and here's the black and gray one he wanted to see. And this one is also the commercial version. And this one is a 12 amp. And this one is a 8 amp. The orange one is an 8 amp. The gray one is a 12 amp. Mr. Arbach Lover, I hope you come watch, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, my man. Okay. I think I'm going to end up doing maybe 1 or 2 more videos for the night. And I'm about to go to bed because your boy got to get up in the morning kind of early, so I can do what I do best. I'll see y'all back in a minute. Peace.